Welcome to our Extra Brain channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 legitimate ways to make money. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pay off debt, or save up for a big purchase, these tips can help you earn some extra cash. Please, do not be distracted in any way, as this might be your life-changing knowledge to gain passive income and eventually replace your 9-to-5 job. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money from your skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, there are plenty of opportunities to work for clients online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are great places to start looking for freelance work. Freelancing can be a great way to make money because it allows you to offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. As a freelancer, you can set your own rates and choose the projects you want to work on, giving you greater control over your income. Here are some ways that freelancing can help you make money. Flexibility. As a freelancer, you can choose when and where you work. This means you can take on as many or as few projects as you want, and you can work from home or anywhere with an internet connection. Variety. Freelancing allows you to work on a variety of projects with different clients. This can help you build a diverse portfolio of work and expand your skills. Higher rates. As a freelancer, you can set your own rates based on your skills and experience. Depending on the demand for your services, you may be able to charge more as a freelancer than you would as a traditional employee. Low overhead costs. Freelancing requires little overhead cost, as you only need to invest in your equipment and tools that you need to do your work. Ability to scale. With freelancing, you can take on more projects and clients as you build your reputation and skills, potentially increasing your income. Overall, freelancing offers a lot of flexibility and autonomy when it comes to earning money. If you have skills that are in demand, freelancing can be a great way to make a living and build a career on your own terms. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and get a commission on any sales that result from your promotion. Here's how it works. The affiliate, you, promotes a product or service to potential customers through various marketing channels, such as a blog post, social media, email marketing, or YouTube channel. When a customer clicks on the affiliate's unique referral link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission from the sale. The commission percentage varies depending on the company and product or service being promoted. Affiliate marketing is a low-cost, low-risk way to earn money online because you don't need to create your own products or services. Instead, you're promoting products or services that already exist and have a proven track record of sales. To be successful at affiliate marketing, it's important to choose products or services that align with your niche or audience. You also need to have a strong online presence and be able to effectively market the products or services to your audience. Now let us discuss how an individual can be an affiliate. Join an affiliate program. First, you need to find a company or an affiliate program that offers products or services that you are interested in promoting. Promote the products or services. Once you've signed up for the affiliate program, you'll be given a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the product or service. You can promote the product through your website, social media channels, or email marketing. Drive traffic. Secondly, you need to drive traffic to your affiliate link, so people can click on it and make a purchase or sign up for a service. Earn a commission. If someone makes a purchase or signs up for a service through your affiliate link, you'll earn a commission on that sale. The more traffic you can drive to your affiliate link, the more money you can earn through commissions. Here are a few examples of affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Commission Junction, Shopify Affiliate Program, eBay Partner Network, and Bluehost Affiliate Program. These are just a few examples of affiliate programs. There are many more available in various niches, such as health and wellness, finance, travel, and more. Overall, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to make money online, but it does require time, effort, and a strategic approach to be successful. Number 3. Virtual assistant. If you're organized and have excellent communication skills, you can make money as a virtual assistant. You can help busy professionals with tasks like scheduling appointments, answering emails, and managing social media accounts. A virtual assistant, VA, is a remote worker who provides administrative or other support services to individuals or businesses. VAs typically work from home or other remote locations and communicate with their clients via email, phone, or video conferencing. Some common tasks that VAs perform include administrative support. VAs can handle tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, organizing files, and performing data entry. Social media management. VAs can create and manage social media accounts, create content, and engage with followers to help increase brand awareness. Customer service. VAs can provide customer support, handle inquiries, and help resolve issues, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Sales and marketing support. VAs can assist with lead generation, email marketing campaigns, and sales outreach. Website design and maintenance. VAs with web development skills can help create and maintain a business's website. Research. VAs can conduct market research, competitive analysis, and other types of research to help businesses make informed decisions about their products and services. Hiring a virtual assistant can be a cost-effective way for businesses to get the support they need without the overhead of hiring a full-time employee. VAs can work on a project-by-project or ongoing basis, depending on the needs of the client. Administrative tasks. VAs can handle administrative tasks like data entry, scheduling appointments, managing emails, and bookkeeping, freeing up business owners and executives to focus on revenue-generating activities. Social media management. VAs can manage social media accounts, create content, and engage with followers to help increase brand awareness, drive traffic to a website, and ultimately generate sales. Sales and marketing support. VAs can assist with lead generation, email marketing campaigns, and sales outreach, helping to increase revenue for a business. Website design and maintenance. VAs with web development skills can help create and maintain a business's website, which can increase its online visibility and attract more customers. Research. VAs can conduct market research, competitive analysis, and other types of research to help businesses make informed decisions about their products and services, leading to increased revenue and profits. Upwork. Upwork is a popular platform that connects businesses with freelancers from various fields, including virtual assistants. You can be a virtual assistant via the following platforms: Task Bullet, Zirtual, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and Time, etc. Number 4. Creating online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create an online course and sell it on websites like Udemy or Teachable. You can make passive income by creating courses that people can access at any time. Here are a few ways that creating online courses can help you make money. Sell courses directly to consumers. You can sell your courses directly to consumers on your own website or on an e-learning platform like Udemy or Coursera. This allows you to earn money every time someone purchases your course. That's it for today's video on 5 legitimate ways to make money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these tips can help you get started. We hope you found these ideas helpful. Let us know in the comments which method you're most excited to try out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more great content like this. Please, we would appreciate if you like and share. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next episode.